Welcome back. Today I'm making chocolate bars with my PC snack maker. It's gonna be fun. All you need is chocolate, coconut oil, and whatever else you want to put in your chocolate bars. You can melt your chocolate in the microwave or on a double boiler like this. I'm making 3 kinds of chocolate bars: Oreo, M&M, and fruit and nut. This part can get messy, but it's fun. Once you snap the lid on, you need to put them in the fridge to cool. Waiting is the hardest part. And that's it. The snack maker is fun for the whole family. Thanks for watching. Like and share, please.